Filling Parker Beta fountain pen is very easy. Before that, I have a small question for you. What is the F written on the bottom of the nib? You can pause the video and comment your opinion. I'll share the answer at the end of the video. So let's begin. Let's remove this cap first and remove the cylinder type filler and keep it safely because we need it for future use. So let's plug this refiller that came with the pen and press it tightly and you will hear a click sound. Now let's put back the caps and keep the pen like this for a few minutes. This helps the ink to travel towards the nib for the first time. After using this cartridge completely, let's refill the pen. For that I am using original Parker ink. This cost around 100 rupees for 30 ml bottle. Let's replace this cartridge with the refiller that we removed and kept safely. Now let's put this back and give a gentle press. Now let's come to the question. What is F marked on the bottom of the fountain pen? F means fine. These types of pen has fine handwriting. The writing is smaller compared to medium and broad. There are many types of fountain pens that includes EF that is extra fine, F that is fine, M is medium, B is broad. Hope the video is helpful. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.